AudioKey's Guardian roles allow you to control audio processors belonging to your child or another person you look after. You can be a guardian for multiple users. For example, parents can use a single phone to control the audio processors of all their children, and teachers can control the audio processors of multiple CI users in their class. To become a guardian, first pair the processors you want to control. Go to your profile and tap Pair Now. Select the connection type and tap Next. The audio processor will pair automatically to AudioKey. Tap Next. To assign the audio processor to your child or someone you look after, select their name from the list. If their name is not there yet, tap Create User. Enter their name and tap Create. The audio processor will now be assigned to this person. To see which users you are a guardian for, go to your profile. At the bottom of the screen, there is a list of all the users you support. To see who else is a guardian for a particular user, tap the name of that user. Select Guardians from the menu. There are 3 different types of guardian role. With the Administrate Guardian role, you can change the user's listening settings, view their hearing stats, and decide which roles the other guardians have. This is the ideal role if you're a parent or caregiver and need full access to your child's audio processor setup. If you have the Control Guardian role, you can change the user's listening settings and view their hearing stats. If you're a teacher or part-time caregiver and regularly need to change settings on a user's audio processor, this is the role for you. With the Observe Guardian role, you can only see the hearing stats of the user, for example, to check they are using the right program. This is the ideal role for people who don't need to make changes to the processor, but may need to see details about the overall usage of the processor. If you have the Administrate role, you can change the roles of the other guardians. To do this, tap the name of the guardian you want to change. Select the role you want them to have. You can also select which listening settings guardians with the Control role are allowed to change. Tap Save to confirm the changes. The relevant guardians will be notified that their role has changed.